Well, hi everybody. We're here at the DMG booth with John Scott. John, dear friend for about 100 years.
Seems like that. Yeah.
Seems like that. And John is the director of something here.
Director of Clinical Affairs for DMG. Yep.
And so, John, so you have a couple of new products that are launching at IDS and throughout the year.
Yes.
So we have a printer sitting behind us over here. And what's the deal with the printer?
Well, DMG has a digital system it's called Dental Connect. It has both the Dental software, but also several different systems that can actually help with 3D printing, both for bleaching trays, both for splints, night guards, and also for models, and then also surgical guides and so forth. So we have a new printer that's actually more affordable.
Wow.
But also gives a lot of features and very easy to use software.
And a good small footprint too, which is
Correct.
really great. That's great. And is there a new resin that you have with this too?
Yeah, we're launching a new Ortho Comfort Flex material that's validated for many systems, but it's also very good for people looking for a splint that has a lot more flexibility to it. Okay, so the idea was that Ortho Comfort Flex was actually to design it so it makes it more comfortable to the patient, and it also moves a little bit more, so it doesn't have an issue about fractures or breaking, so it has the durability to it too.
Nice.
But it's much more comfortable to wear, and so it's just a different type of improvement in materials that people are looking for.
Now, is this resin exclusive to your machines?
It is not. The one thing that we're nice about the materials, the resins we make, is that we try to validate them for other machines and equipment as well, as long as it's got an open system.
Great.
And so it's nice from that perspective.
All right, super. So, John, what else are we talking about now?
Well, the other thing that the DMG's been doing is in the last few years has been really looking at ways to try to solve, I call, problems that are currently in the marketplace in the dental industry that don't really have a solution.
Some of their aesthetic issues.
Correct. And so one of the things is that we've seen a pretty good increase in globally is issue with they call MIH, or chalky teeth, or what they call discolored teeth,
round spots,
that are not
spots,
correct.
Yeah.
And so the issue is that we've been able, in some of our research that we've done both internationally, is find a treatment plan to focus on that issue. And that includes both multiple steps in the process, but at the end of the day, it does one thing, is it not only eliminates the issue of discoloration in teeth, but also provides long-term solution to protect the teeth.
Wow.
And to date, even like in the U.S., it's like 15% of children have some type of an MIH issue, and it's increasing.
And a lot of times, some of the restorative dentists say, "Well, we'll just take out that enamel and do some bonding on it," which is terrible.
Which you're taking away tooth structure,
Yeah.
which is really not needed. Really, some of it's just being providing a solution to the tooth structure that's there that provides both makes it more aesthetically, but also to provide something long-term treatment.
Yeah, great.
So we're in the process of trying to. You'll see that coming out later this year and next year about a treatment solution for that.
That's excellent, John.
No, great.
Great, John. Thanks.
No, thank you.